everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I will be creating a very basic no makeup look for virtual meetings. So which I got inspired from L'Oreal Paris YouTube channel. So I recently come across their channel and I was watching all those videos and I was super impressed because they have so many skincare videos, makeup videos, tips, tricks, and how to do your makeup with minimal products, with the 3 products. And I was watching all those videos and I got inspired from this no makeup look for virtual meetings. So thought I would create for you guys, and it will be a very helpful video for you because most of you guys would be working from home and you may attend meetings online, and you need to be look presentable while you're attending meeting. So you don't have to take so much time. Also within 10 minutes or 12 minutes you can achieve this makeup and you can attend your meetings. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. And before moving, if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe, and yeah, let's get started. So first thing is first, you need to prep your skin very nicely so that the products what you apply will go smoothly and which keeps throughout the day very nice. So for that I'll be using a essence, which is the L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. So which is a very lightweight water consistency. It just sinks into your skin and it has a little bit of skincare benefit which contains the salicylic acid, which is very good for oily and acne prone skin. So I'm gonna take 4 drops on my hand and I'm gonna rub it into my hands and I'm gonna pat it on my skin. So I'm gonna take 4 drops, I'm gonna just rub it. I'm gonna just pat like that. So this instantly sinks into your skin, so you don't need to worry about waiting and all. So next we'll be moving on to the moisturizer. For that I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Icy Gel, so which is a purifying and mattifying moisturizer, which is a very lightweight in consistency, like a jelly form. So it instantly removes that shine in your face, so and gives a very mattifying effect. I'm gonna take like that and massage into my skin. So next I'm gonna use a primer just to blur out my pores. So the next step will be moving on to the foundation to cover up my scars a little bit. Further I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Demi Matte Foundation. I'll be using the shade 108 and 110. So which is a medium to full coverage foundation and blends beautifully into the skin. And because it is a demi matte finish, so you don't need to worry about oiling your face. It gives a really good matte finish. So I'm gonna take each pump and I'm gonna mix this. And this is a little bit thicker foundation, so you need to be a little bit faster in blending. So I'm gonna first blend it with my fingers itself, so to get that maximum coverage, and it will be very easy also. You no need to search for beauty blender immediately. So as you can see, the coverage is also pretty good. So now I'm gonna take my beauty blender to blend everything nicely. So this time you can just dab it like that. So you need only 30 to 40 seconds to blend everything. So guys, foundation is done. As you can see, it's a medium coverage foundation. I don't want full coverage as well because I'm not going for that full coverage. I want a very medium coverage, so it looks as a no makeup look. So I'm gonna take the shade 108, which is a little bit lighter than my skin tone. I'm gonna use this a very tad bit. I'm gonna apply this on my under eyes to just brighten up my face. As you can see, I'm taking very like pea-size amount, very slightly I'm taking. So then I'm gonna blend it with my finger itself, so that I can give that maximum coverage also. So guys, as you can see, with a very less product you can achieve a very good flawless base. So next, to set this foundation, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour powder foundation. So guys, since I have a oily skin, I'm using powder. If you have a normal skin or oily skin, you can definitely avoid this step. I'm gonna take with a big powder brush, I'm gonna just tap it on my face to set my foundation. So next I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. So next, for the liner, I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Matte Signature Liner. So if you don't want liner, you can definitely skip. I need my liner. So I'm gonna draw a very tiny bit just to give the definition to my eyes. So as you can see, I'm running my tip very softly. So as you can see, I'm not creating any wing and all. I'm just going to give it that definition to my eyes. So next for the mascara, I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Volumizing Lash Paradise mascara. You know guys how much I like this mascara. It's very nice. As you can see, the wand is very fiber, and it coats to the each lashes and gives that really good length and volume to your lashes. So guys, as you can see the difference with mascara and without mascara, it just changes your eye look itself. So never miss your mascara. So guys, eyes are done. I'm gonna keep it very simple since it's no makeup look. I'm not going to do much for my eyes. I'm going to give a little bit of bronzer blush effect to my face since it's looking very pale, and I don't want that as well. So that I'll be using a bronzer. You can use a blush as well, but I don't like that much blush. I like my bronzer than my blush. So I'll be using the L'Oreal Back to Bronzer. I'm gonna take this bronzer in a contour brush or a powder brush. I'm gonna take like that. I'm gonna just run it on my cheekbones to give that really good bronzy effect. So it's a very medium tone bronzer, so it doesn't give that kind of harsh also. It just creates a little bit of depth to your skin. As you can see, I'm gonna run like that on my forehead as well. Next, I'm gonna complete this look with the lipstick. For that, I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature lipsticks in the shade 116 I Explore, which is a perfect nude shade for everywhere, and I really like this, guys. You can use a brown nude or brick nude. You can use a mauvey pink as well. So I really like this nude for this kind of a looks. So as you can see, it's a perfect match for my skin tone, girls. So guys, this is the final makeup look. Hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Comment below what was your opinion, and do subscribe to my channel and also L'Oreal Paris YouTube channel for more skincare videos, makeup videos, tips and tricks, whatnot. So do check out their channel and subscribe them as well. And all the products I used in today's video will be given in the description box. So please do check out that for more information. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay home, stay happy, stay healthy, and thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, take care.